Malcolm and I work for a company called Zero Maintenance Websites. We make websites that are very easy to use and to update. And to help you do that, we also provide these little tutorials that show you how to edit things on your own site. So today's tutorial is for Unicorn language, and what we're looking at is how to ensure multilingual menus use the correct template, because if you don't do that, you end up with the wrong menu system. So if we go to the Unicorn website, you'll see this is the normal website and we can change language. So if we change language to Russian, the articles appear in Russian, which is fine, and also of course the menu along the top here appears in Russian. So we've got some that still need to be translated, but it's a separate menu from the one in English. Now this menu sits in the template, so if you're going to change from one language to another, you have to actually allocate the correct template. So if we go to the back end, the database end, and again just to show you where we are, this is the main database end. So what we're looking here are not the articles which contain the text or the menus, but going down to look at the templates. So when we look at the templates, you do need a default one for all languages, so it's actually there, but we don't really use it. The main ones we use are the English and Russian ones. So we'll come to that in a minute. Let me show you actually back on the website, we added a new page called Our Team, which seemed to be fine, allocated it to English, click on that. However, if you look at the menus here, it's actually home brackets all languages. So there are 3 different menus, one in English, one in Russian, and this one that we should never actually see. So if we go here, why is that? The reason is because the default for all languages is this one here. So we need to go to the English menus and make sure that page is on the English menus. It'll be fairly obvious when we go there. There's again different tabs along here. The basic one gives you some basic information about things like the favicon, the little icon, the logo, and the menus actually down here. There are various presets that allow you to change text, sizes and so on, and this is where you get the actual layout of the website. So this is all in the template. The one we need to look at is the very last one, assignment. Which menus use this template? Remember, this is the English menus template. So which ones use the English? And when you look at it here, all the courses use it, all the English ones use it, apart from Our Team, the new one. So if we select that, that actually allows us, that means that page will now use the correct English menu. It's fairly clear because these ones use Russian and they're in Russian. So the new one for Our Team will also appear in the Russian one. Here it is here. So we don't want it to use English. So we'll save and close that. So if I go back to the website and go to the home page, the home page is the English menu. About Us, Our Team. When I select that, that is still the English menu, so that is correct. If I switch to Russian, however, we've not changed the Russian one yet. So the menu system is showing About Us, all languages. So I'll leave it to you to go back into the Russian template here. And when you get here, look along the tabs till you get to the assignment one. Go to the assignment one and you should see, there's Our Team brackets Russian. That should be on this menu. I'm not clicking on it. I'll leave you to do that and to obviously save and close it. That goes with the other tutorials on multilingual websites. Hope that's useful.